Suppose we are given these two sets A and B. Can we say that A is a subset of B? Well, no, because A has elements that are not found in B, like E, I, O and U. Likewise, B also is not a subset of A because B has elements like the letters small b, C and D, which are not found in A. So how would we represent A and B as circles? Can we do something like this? Recall that when we saw this example where A is a proper subset of B, we represented A and B as circles, and the circle representing A was completely inside the circle representing B. So how would this representation look like for these two sets? Well, again we could represent A as a circle, and this time let's just mark all the members inside A. So let's say this point is A, this point is E, we put I over here, we put O over here, and we put U over here. Now we can make another circle for B, but this time we have to make sure that the element little a, which is found in A, is not represented twice. So what we do is we make sure that a part of the circle that represents B is going to intersect the circle representing A, and the portion that intersects or overlaps with the circle representing A has elements that are common to A and B. So since A is the only common element between the two sets, we represent we make the circle for B pass through only A, or enclose only A from the set A. The other elements B, C and D lie outside the set capital A, and so they are present outside the circle representing A, but of course within the circle representing B. Now what if this element had not been little a? Let's say it had been the letter J. In that case there would have been no overlapping elements between A and B. So if we had represented the 5 elements within A like this, the circle representing B would have had no overlap with the set A. The 4 elements representing the set B, or the 4 elements contained within the set B, would have been written something like this. So when A and B share some common elements, we show their circles as overlapping, and when A and B don't share any common elements, their circles will be disjoint. There will be no overlapping region.